plug's really rusted in. There. Should the pistons be moving? Literally none of the pistons are moving. What do you do? Yep. You're in that hole. How do we get fuel air from the valves? Where is the cylinder? I think I got it. We're going to make a full rotation. I think we got it. Spin all the way around. Very cool. That these work really fast. Okay. This is January 7th. So that means it's 07? So you know it's working here. You just got to build this yourself. This is a 6-volt system. I have it hooked to 12 volts. Not great, but I'm not going to put 140 battery in this until I at least verify the thing range over. Probably. Oh, nice. That thing's spinning over nice, so I'll go get a 6-volt battery. You can freaking headlight for it. I got them pesky reverse threads on the driver's side. This may be a safety violation. Here's a little pipe. First aid kit. Insurance ID. They advertise it for an old air jacket. Download manuals. Look at that. Clean out the inside a little bit. I wore the same brand of work boots for the last 15 years. 15 years. Every day, same style, same fit. I'm picking my boots. Every week, you're on your feet all day. Your boot matters. So we're trying this old pair of boots. Maybe a little harder than I thought. Been through a lot. Long days, long projects. Long months. I'm a little nervous to try something new. I don't just switch boots willy-nilly. But after hearing and seeing about boots all over social media, so I figured, all right, let's see what I'll talk about. I'll tell you what, I was shocked. Right out of the box, these boots were extremely comfortable. I got the 8-inch composite work boots, no breaking periods, no sore feet, just solid ready work boots from day one. After 15 years of loyalty, pretty much one of the 2 brands work boots front has definitely changed my mind. But this is my recommendation. If you want to get front dry, you can get $10 off your first purchase. Just go to automotive.com and use my code projects. That's automotive.com/projects. Link is always down in the description. I feel really good about having a pair of work boots for month. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing these things for like 3 weeks straight, and I absolutely love these boots. Custom, himself. Ready to drive. No tire kickers. Gonna check for spark. I'm not seeing any spark. Let me pop the dizzy off and see if we can clean the condenser in place. I don't know what everybody's rage about Snap-on is. I have a Harbor Freight ratchet that's way nicer than this thing. I put new old stock wires and everything. I also redid some of this wiring with coil. Even though this thing might not make it all the way to California, I still took the time to do all the soldering connections right. Just eliminates questions. So I want to see going forward is everybody doing wiring with solder and heat shrink. Need more gas in here, that's a problem. Well, gas going in here. We're going to financially recover from this. One dog. We're free. In theory, there should not be power here until we turn the key on. There's power there. So I have power at the coil. That should be sending power there. And I don't have any friends hooked up. I'm going to crank it and watch for spark. Go crank it. You don't have spark. I chased some stuff down and the points I adjusted. Let's see if we have spark now. Wait, I need to... Okay, hang on, a couple more adjustments. Nothing. Alright, but adjustments, but I finally did get a spark. It seems weak, but I don't know if the 6-volt stuff is a weak spark. I don't know. Let's give it just a breath of fresh air and see if it dries. I adjusted the points a little bit more. Sometimes these old heifers actually go better with gas down the carburetor. It wants to go, it's right on the edge here. I guess I now need to figure out how to charge 6-volt battery. That's another problem. I think we're getting close. We got spark, just need to get that working right. The oil pressure's back. Look, you're smoking. Sick. Nice. Oh, wait, no, wraps it up. Just kidding. gonna change this oil because after putting all that diesel fluid free up the valves, I don't want that in the engine oil. I don't see anything suspicious. You know, look around over here. This frame is pretty solid. Ouch! Oh, that's my head. Okay, that's enough. It's important to tighten your drain plugs. Ask behind them. That's it for somebody. You see your Willys Wagon Jeep that runs. Put this fan back on. A little over gallon right up the top. Okay, well done. And the car park right here. And I'm pretty certain the owner of this car would be slightly upset if I ran into it with that car. Ain't worried all that diesel off it, it's still everywhere. Got the whole pressure here. Oh yeah, everything working, I can find out. Wow, man, it sounds good actually. Got lights on the front. How's not bad. Ooh, it's smoky in here. Let's break that stuff. Hey. Free right up. The clutch is stuck in this. I want to try to free up. A bunch of people asked what this glass cleaner was in the Peterbilt video. It's just a foaming glass cleaner called Tough Stuff. You need it at an auto parts store. That freed up really easily. I'm thinking something. There's a mouse here? What is that? That's cool. I'll bet you that here, of course, leaking. I can fix that. But it's good to see though, I know where all the coolant went, and I wasn't the radio leaking necessarily, I wasn't leaking the engine. I don't know. No. If you don't know, the heat core just takes coolant from the engine. It's more runs it through heat exchange in the cab, the fan blade across it, and the heat cavity. Once the leak out here, lock it off for the start time, and I don't care about heat, it's not start time. Try it again.